The casino is open. Step up and place your bets. The election's tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, November the 2nd. And, of course, tomorrow is Election Day. And, wow, what an overnight move. Markets open lower and look pretty ugly. And, of course, the metals were lower, and crude was lower, copper was lower, the dollar was higher. And suddenly, like magic overnight, everything is solved. The Dow went from down 100 and something to now up about 500. S&P down, up about 50. NASDAQ is going to the roof, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's going to Pluto. In the meantime, we're short. But at the end of the day, here it is. You've got almost all markets are higher at the moment as we speak. Bonds, crude, metals. It's amazing. But either way, that's what's going on today. And this is like a casino, as I said on Thursday and Friday. I would be very careful here. I don't think that if you're not an experienced day trader, or if you are, it's a very challenging period to trade through because, of course, we're seeing markets move so quickly back and forth, okay, that it makes it much more of a challenge. In the meantime, it's a great time to sit back and observe. But yes, the markets are up big. We're short. Metals are up. Up reasonable. I guess $10 in gold and 11 in platinum and 20, 30 cents in silver. We are still short there as well. The bond markets and bonds and notes are higher, and we're short those as well. So obviously not a good start to the day or the week for us at the moment, but it's a long day, and we'll see what the casino says later. In the meantime, right now, this is like a casino. The dollar has been on both sides of unchanged and is now higher. We are actually long dollars. Right now, we reversed today. Copper is higher. It was lower overnight. The nat gas is lower. And, again, we will see, where these markets lead to when it's all said and done. It is a challenge. It is a fast-paced, quickly moving. And, of course, the grain markets, which were under heavy pressure overnight, have suddenly decided that, well, maybe they don't want to be under pressure. And corn is down, but coming much closer, down about 2-3 cents. Beans were down over 10, now they're down about 3. And, of course, wheat is now higher on the day. Again, a mass confusion across. And I think this is all directly related to the election. Depending on who wins, what happens to the economy, do we open or do we shut? Meats are slightly lower across the board. Again, we're long both cattle and short hogs. And, of course, we're short corn and long beans and wheat. But it's a crazy time. And, again, you don't see this often. I mean, elections are usually a little bit active, but not like this. And in the softs, the last I looked, cotton was lower, which we are now short cotton. OJ is flat to slightly higher. Coffee is flat to slightly higher. We were short both of those. Sugar is higher, we're long. And, of course, cocoa, we're short and it's down. In the meantime, we'll see what happens. Again, this is a wild time. It's very tough to trade from a short-term perspective. But, again, if you understand what you're doing, just make sure you don't have to trade as big as you might usually, because the speed and the size of these moves is unbelievable. So, in the meantime, remember our partnership with Family Farms. And, of course, we were supposed to go out to Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas, but I cannot do so now because of the COVID and what's going on. Now, again, we will be there after the first year, hopefully. Obviously, I think this will depend on a lot who wins tomorrow. Or actually, if we know, we probably won't know tomorrow. And then, of course, our brokerage partners. And, again, I do have other brokerage accounts, but who we use for our stuff is CTG for commodities and futures. They do my accounts, and of course, they have great customer service. They handle the only authorized letter of direction trader of what we do. And again, they do a great job with helping you out when you need help, and will help you get the accounts open. And of course, Trader for equities and options. I mean, again, it's $10 a month. Just think of it that way. I mean, look at how much money you'd be saving and putting back in your own pocket should you use. Now, again, it doesn't matter. There's no requirements, but we are now much closer to full automation as we're sending out our documents today to have everybody sign who wants to use the service there. So that's great. And of course, Andy Hecht and is our commodity report, Technomental. We are doing a webinar Saturday at noon Eastern. It's listed on the website if you'd like to come and join us, but it will be combining some of the algorithm stuff we do with Andy's fundamental analysis. He's been doing it for 40 years, and that's why it's called Technomental. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And another dog game tonight, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers against the New York Giants. Well, look, at the end of the day, I'm not laying 13. I'm not going to take it for any more than a beer. I don't even want the pizza this time, just the beer. Okay, this is just if you're going to do something, I'll take the points, but I don't know. It could be a rout, or it could be another bad beat like it was with the Dallas-Philadelphia game. I mean, have a great day, everybody. Be careful. We'll see you back here tomorrow, and make sure you get out and vote. Have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update.